So Rio says to me today, we're gonna both do a pour today. And then she pours my cup of white all over the table.
I did that. Shut up, Sace.
What are we doing?
What is up, my fellow paint slayers? Today, we have got a special little treat for you. One of you guys said, hey, why don't you do a sunset pour? So, we're doing a sunset pour right now. And to celebrate our 1-year anniversary week and my birthday week. Oh, by the way, if you would like to send me a gift, you can send it to the P.O. box down below, and I will open that live on the show on August 4th. Because on August 4th, we're going live from noon till 6-ish. We have all kinds of antics. We have giveaways. We have some of that too. That was kind of anticlimactic. We want to need to buy some bigger ones.
Yeah.
I don't like green.
That's
it's like Christmas
green
colors. They sent us a Christmas cannon! Ugh. Okay, we're gonna have to fix that. Anyway, so you want to make sure you tune into that. So, without further ado, let's get started in this. Today, I thought, what is better than one sunset pour? How about two? How about a good old-fashioned challenge between me and Sace? Who's gonna win this? Before we get started, do me a favor and hit that like button. If we get to 500 likes on this video before it's been out for 12 hours, we will add something really, really spectacular to the giveaway part for the August 4th live event show. You don't want to miss it.
We get 12 dislikes, I'll post my phone number in the comments.
So, let's get started. So, we're going to do a sunset pour. There's no rules. I'm getting 2 cups and Sace is down.
I don't.
No, that's the truth. You gotta tell the truth, Sace.
I'm just gonna use all this color then.
Do not use all that color, Sace.
Can I get a couple of cups then?
Oh, maybe you should find them. So, I'm thinking I'm doing a 2-cup pour on this little 8x10 canvas.
Well, I'm gonna do 3.
You are?
Yeah. No. Yes. No. Yes. And then...
Actually, I might do 3 too. Give me another one.
I swear to God. You know what? I'm doing 4. Fine.
Oh, you're gonna do 4 now?
Yeah, I'm gonna do 4 now.
Fine, you just do 4, big boy.
Here's your 3.
See where it gets you.
Here's your 3.
Sace, I already have paint in there. Stop cheating. So, just to let you know, the paint mixture, because I know we got a lot of newbies on here, by the way, welcome to the family. We'll be posting, after all of our 1-year anniversary and birthday antics, we'll be posting a new how-to video that'll be a little more updated and a lot less involved than the first one was to watch. So, each one of these little cuppies has the paint mixed in. The paint is a heavy body paint. I don't use the flow paint. I like the heavy body paint better. And it has 1 part paint to 2 parts floetrol, and then 1 drop, it's a Dixie cup, 1 drop of silicone. If you put too much silicone in the paint, you guys, it will make the cells, it'll make the paint runny and make the cells break apart. And so that's why I do what I do it. Now, I'm not saying I'm right. There's a lot of YouTubers out there that do other things and, you know, make beautiful paint babies. So, you know, whatever. Okay, so I'm putting in the yellow first. I'm going for a little more white here.
I'm not telling you what I'm doing.
You're
You
not?
don't need to know.
Don't use all that blue.
Too late.
Speeding
Do you want
it
some
up.
of this?
Yeah. No, that looks like mustard. That was a trick. I did that to sabotage you.
Okay. I used it. You like stop reaching over here. You're crowding me, dude.
Am I?
Yeah.
Get over it, dude. Some glitters and some sparkles and some yum yums. Oh, I love this color right here. I made that color.
Is that copper gonna work in there?
I don't know.
I don't trust it.
I don't know if it's gonna work in there or not. Okay, so then I want to do the next. So I'm doing my yellows and golds first. Okay, I'm gonna have way too much paint on here, so you guys are gonna fly.
Surprise.
Oh wow, that's quite a. You better show that to the camera.
Hi.
Sace is already in there. What's this one from?
That's mine. This is either gonna look really dumb or it's gonna be really cool.
It's gonna be epic, maybe.
Okay. And I didn't use that 4th cup that I was bragging about.
I know, he's like all up in the business of it all.
I'll wait for you.
You wait for me?
Oh, I didn't even use white. I didn't even know that white was available. And then she pours my cup of white all over the table.
Oh, you're gonna have a hot mess.
Balls.
Okay, so I'm a little nervy. I gotta tell you. I'm gonna wipe my hands off because that blue, the blue that I'm using right here is Induthrine blue from Liquitex, and it is really, really strong. It is really strong.
This might be bad. Here we go.
It's stuck.
It's stuck. Give me that torch.
Torch it. That's my torch.
Then give me the other one.
Okay, here. Stace, you just don't know what you're doing. You gonna go first?
It's always so pretty from this side. Get
Woo.
out of here.
You might want to put some white through there. Okay, I'm going.
Make it another cup.
I'm gonna
That
pour
really
some.
does look like mustard. It didn't look that way the first time I used it.
I'm gonna drizzle some of this white around here. I think this is gonna be too much paint. Okay. You know what else I think? I don't think our table is level, say, from coming back from the trip. You guys, if you're waiting patiently for the Rockport, Texas footage, especially of the special footage from the show.
There's some colors over there that I kind of need.
Here you go, babe. Chase is going to be working on that. That's going to be part of the birthday week celebration as well. So be patient. It really is coming. And we still have some more Little Cayman footage left to air. We've kind of been holding out on that. So.
I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, that's cool. Do you need some white in that? Oh, you got white in that. Okay.
Not a clue what I'm doing. Haven't done this in forever.
I'm going to pour mine forward. Oh. Okay. Leave us a comment below. Let us know which one you like better now. Halfway through.
Vote Sace.
Don't vote Sace.
Yes. You should always vote Sace.
When in doubt, vote Rio.
No. Crap.
What?
Nothing. Shut up.
Are you having a hard time saying?
No.
Woo! Come
Yep.
on, settle up.
Does not look anything like what I thought it was going to look like.
What did you think it was going to look like?
Well, you know, something like that.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, I see what you did there. Actually,
so do I run my water this way or this way?
I would run it this way because the
That's
sun
right.
is up there.
And I was going to like try that.
Oh, fancy. What you're doing, Stace?
You're in my way.
Well, I have to be in your way. I have to be able to compete with that. I'm going to pour a little of mine off, even though I don't want to lose any of that. Those beautiful yellow cells that are just gorgeous. I need to bring mine this way a little bit. Woo! Stace, that's beautiful. You jerk.
You're the one that wanted to challenge me. I said I don't think I need to be doing pours no more. I make you look bad.
Oh yeah, that's what you said.
That's not what I said.
Oh, that's gonna be beautiful.
God, that was chunky. Are you trying to sabotage me with all this chunky paint? You got a yellow over. I didn't even know that yellow was an option.
Well, you did it right there. I made some yellow with some white.
I used this.
Ooh, that was grody.
Guess see what I have to deal with. It's like this every day.
Every day. Those are
Okay.
beautiful cells. Look at that. That is very nice.
Shut up. You don't even know what you're doing.
Well, it's not really what I wanted, but it's okay.
Okay, so here's what I'm thinking now.
I'm gonna add mine.
You know how when you're looking at a sunset, the sun kind of like tapers down in the water? Do you think I could do that there without making it look bad, or do you think it's gonna make it look bad?
What do you mean?
If I this
Do a swipe?
No.
Oh no, you can't add yellow to that.
I can't?
No.
Why not?
It's that orange and not blue. Blue and orange make mud.
Yeah, I see that. It did that up here.
See, and it's green mud.
Yeah, and you sabotaged me.
I did not sabotage a damn thing.
Okay, so if I got rid of this orange, then would it work?
Maybe. No, you can't. I don't think it's gonna float. Look, you've already got some little ripples showing through. Why don't you torch that?
I understand that.
Pick some of this up and do your edges. Cause see, look, it's coming through. What do you guys think?
Rio&Sace. Always.
Vote Rio.
No. Rio sucks.
If you don't vote Rio, you're gonna get boo pooped on the comments. We need 500 comments and 500 likes on this video. Throw us a bone, you people. We've been doing this for a year.
I'm gonna dislike it.
You're gonna dislike it?
Okay, I'm gonna try it. It's probably gonna ruin it.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna swipe it.
No.
Yes.
I would.
Kind of tapered swipe. You know what I'm saying?
Go
like that.
You're gonna put your hand in mine.
That's what I'm trying to do. Do you want some help?
No, I don't want any of your help.
Are you sure? I torched mine too much too. It's ruined. I don't like it.
Is it?
Yeah.
You have a lot of paint going on there, so.
Yeah, I know. Probably a little too much. You went off and sabotaged me with that blue and that orange. Oh, so you can swipe, but I can't? I'm gonna do it.
Can we not swipe it into my painting?
I am purposely swiping into your painting.
I would.
Am I making you nervous?
Yes, you're making me very nervous, Sace.
Ow.
Because I like those cells. Those are perfect, right there. Those are beautiful.
Well, move your stuff.
Shut up, Sace.
You shut up.
We kind of have different styles, but I think mine's better than yours.
Oh, really?
Yours does look like a sunset, though.
What's that?
Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. Look, you already have stuff on there.
Yeah, I just swiped that.
Okay,
Just
then
to see
swipe
what-
it.
No.
But do it very lightly.
Can you show me? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh God. If you ruin it, it's your fault.
Mm-hmm. Then you want to come over with the orange, the yellow right on top of that. Then I kind of feel like you probably want to pull. That's kind of cool, huh?
You ruined it. You just ruined the whole thing. I don't like it anymore. I hate it.
Look at those cells, though.
I like it.
Fill your edges in.
Fill your edges in. Look at your edge over here. It looks like dog ass.
Oh my gosh. How many of you guys are going to tune in to comment below and let us know if you're going to be tuned in to the birthday and anniversary celebration going on up in here on August the 4th at noon. It's going to be really weird when people watch this like after the fact.
They're like, what the?
What the what?
Will you stop touching my stuff?
Okay. What do you think, Sace?
I like them. I think yours looks dumb. I'm trying to figure out where this dark maroon color came from. I guess I wasn't allowed to use that color.
They're all right there.
No, they're not.
I didn't cheat, Sace.
You cheated. You kept colors from me. I didn't even know we had a yellow.
I want to put some of this peach up here, but I'm scared.
Scared. Then you took my tool. You want some orange in there?
No, Stace, I don't want some orange in there. No orange.
How about now?
No, still no orange. Ooh, look at that move.
Oh, look at me, I can do swipes too.
Stace! God, you make me so nervous. You make me crazy. If you guys ordered merch, it has officially been ordered and it's supposed to be here this week. And so we will be shipping out the t-shirts, our very first t-shirt order. ASAP. If you have ordered a painting, whether it was lately or 100 years ago, all of that stuff is gone. All of it has shipped. So, Nancy in California, it took literally 4 weeks of working on the varnish on your painting, and it's gorgeous, and it's out the door, darling. Swear to you, it's coming your way. That's a wide...
I don't know what I'm doing! What's that? Yeah?
I'd swipe it back.
No, you swipe it back.
No, not from there.
Oh,
You
my
have
goodness.
cells there.
I don't know.
I'm right here.
I didn't want more orange in there. You ruined it. Oh, I'm sorry. I mean,
Hey.
golly gosh darn.
Sace. Children's programming here.
Smeared paint on me. This is my favorite shirt. It's really not. I hate it. Yep, that looks dumb.
And some of you
Obviously
asked, what do you do when the canvas doesn't get covered with the silicone?
You
just
set
go
it on
back in
fire.
and dabble it. Just dabble in it a little bit. That makes it work a little better. Well, I should torch mine again.
I don't like the greenish color going on here. Oh god, I made it worse.
Alright, so that's it for this episode. Thanks for joining us in the studio. Make sure that you like up this video and subscribe, and don't forget to tune in August 4th from noon to 6 Central, because we are gonna have a throwdown. Until next time, ciao!
Wheels in the rain go round and round. I picked you up from the lost and found, and I know you saw it coming, 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 and never heard the first false